Okay, we're at the Hardway Garage, and we're going to start Drew's engine soon on the test stand. But first, he's going to tell you a little bit about the engine and what it's got in it.
This is a Chevy 350 4-bolt main. It's bored out 60 over. It has an Eagle rotator kit. It has comp valve train. It's got a comp Magnum 280 cam. It's got World Product Sportsman 2 heads. It has a Holley Street Dominator manifold.
Okay, now you had the machine work done elsewhere, but you put it together yourself, right?
Correct.
The whole thing.
Yes.
And basically, even though I've rebuilt engines before, Drew did most of this himself because he had a good book.
I read a book, followed the instructions.
You can't go wrong if you get a good book and follow the instructions.
So one with lots of pictures. My recommendation.
Yeah, look at lots of pictures. So that's all for now. We're going to start this soon. Hardway Garage.